Hello everyone, welcome. This week I'm going to be going over on how to vectorize a PDF file, pretty much taking a PDF file and importing it into AutoCAD. Just because we don't have an actual CAD file for this, so this is a typical vendor drawing that's from ABB. So this is just just a panel, and we're going to be taking this and putting it onto this drawing. So I'm just gonna be getting rid of all the stuff inside and just gonna be putting it out to the side outside the border. So I'll be taking this one, so let me start. So on your top left corner you're gonna have like an AutoCAD symbol. Click on it and you're gonna scroll down to where it says import, and you're going to be looking for the first one where it says import data from my PDF file into the current drawing as objects. So click on that one. Now it's going to turn into a square, but you don't have anything in here. So you're going to have select PDF underlay or file. So by default it's going to be file, but you can also move your mouse and click on file. So now you're going to be looking for your CAD drawing. So let me just go to the location. So I'm looking for this one. So I'm going to click open. Now the one that I'm looking for is going to be the first one. So I'm going to click OK on it. So now this actually came in as a block. So I'm going to select it and type in explode. And now it just turned it into all line work. But the only catch about this is that all your text as well is going to be all line work. But we're gonna try to make it fit. This one's a 1-on-1 border, so I'm gonna be looking for a regular text. We're gonna actually scale this drawing up, so look for the smallest text that you can find on the vendor drawing. So it's gonna be this one. So our standard text for this drawing is 330 seconds, which is 0.0938. It's gonna be this one for the height. So I gotta make this text match this one. So let me just delete this for a second. So I'm gonna be drawing a line across, and I'm gonna offset it by 0.0938. Now I'm gonna be selecting this whole drawing, go to my scale icon, and I'm looking for this. So now my base point's gonna be this bottom left corner or of the letter E. Click. Now we're gonna be using reference on this one, so click on reference and click your first point again, 1, 2, and then this is gonna be 3. So now if I grab a text from over here, it should match up now. Well, at least close to it, but yes, it did match. And for vendor drawings, you guys could just double check with the engineer, but I always delete the vendor border. So now it's in the drawing, but you're not done yet. We're gonna be changing the layers on this, so we're gonna try to blend it in with what what the actual client is. So you're gonna be taking all the stuff in white, you're gonna make it match, turn it into green and yellow, basically. So these are 2 layers that I'm gonna be using. So on my text, this is gonna be my text layer, and this is gonna be my wire layer. So I'm gonna be using the wire layer too for all the other type of line work in here. So I'm just gonna pause the video for a second because I'm gonna be matching. Pretty much the idea is to make it look like this. So I'm just gonna pause for a second. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now I put everything into the proper layer. So I just made sure that all my text is under the TXT layer, and everything else that's just regular line work is under the wire layer. So I got it to at least 2 layers. So now I'm just going to delete these, and now I don't need this anymore. And it's up to you guys, but the main idea is to PDF this. So now everything came out great. So I don't have any color on this. Everything looks perfect, black and white. So all of this stuff. This is the standard text layer, and it matches how this looks. So I'm just gonna PDF it real quick. So now if I go into that PDF to vector model, the one that we just created, 1145, that's the updated one. So sorry guys, let me use Bluebeam. So now actually comes out great. I didn't get an error message or anything, but I was able to convert it from PDF to vector onto a CAD drawing. So thanks guys, subscribe and hit that like button if you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next week's video. Thank you.